How to delete Snapchat account on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Snapchat account on iPhone. Now the process is similar on the Android device as well, so make sure you stay tuned to the video till the end. Now first thing first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat on your device and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now I'll just open it up real quick here. You should get an interface like this, right? Now what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you should get an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the gear icon that you can find at the top right corner of the screen here. Once you do so, you should get an interface like this on the settings. Now on settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down below, and at the bottom of the screen you shall find the option logout, and the second last option above logout is delete account that you can see right there on the screen. You want to simply tap on the delete account option there, and once you tap on it, it will head you to the other page here. Now here first it'll ask you to log into your account. Make sure you log into your account that you want to delete, and you should get into this page here. It says delete account. Now what you want to do is here you can see my username already popping up here. You want to simply re-enter your password and you want to simply tap and continue, and you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete your account easily on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.